Imagine a world where paying for your morning coffee with cryptocurrency is as smooth as using cash. No last-minute price swings, no surprises at checkout, just fast, stable transactions that work. Thanks to USDt-TON, you're locked in at the price you see, making digital payments as seamless, predictable, and reliable. But what exactly is USDT? Short for Tether, it's the superhero of stablecoins, always tied one-to-one with the US dollar. Think of it like holding real dollars, but in digital form. And here's where it gets even better. USDT is live on TON, the high-speed blockchain that dances in perfect sync with Telegram. This means instant, low-cost transactions, making sending money as effortless as dropping a GIF in chat. USDT-TON isn't just another stablecoin. It's built for speed, scale, and seamless usability within TON's ecosystem. Whether sending money via Telegram's wallet, trading on DEXs like STON-FI, or cashing out in-game earnings, USDT-TON removes volatility while keeping transactions simple and accessible. And with TON's growing interoperability, USDT-TON is expanding across multiple blockchains, further solidifying its role as a universal stablecoin. Getting started with USDT-TON is a breeze. If you're tired of the maze-like complexity of typical crypto transactions, you'll love this. Simply open Telegram, go to your wallet, and buy some USDT. Choose how much you need, say enough for that new book you've been eyeing, and you're all set. Need to send money? Let's say you owe a friend in Tokyo for concert tickets they grabbed for both of you. Instead of dealing with expensive international transfers, just send them USDT in Telegram like a message. No banks, no fees, no delays. It's peer-to-peer payments, perfected. The future of digital payments is here. With USDT-TON, stable digital transactions are no longer a vision, they're happening now. From payments in DeFi to gaming rewards, USDT-TON redefines what's possible in blockchain. And as TON's ecosystem continues to expand, expect even more integrations and real-world use cases that make crypto easier, more practical, and borderless than ever before. Ready to experience fast, frictionless transactions? Start using USDT-TON today and witness firsthand how it transforms your financial life. Drop a comment below if you've tried it, and if you've found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button for more crypto clarity and tech insights. Don't forget to like and follow for more updates on how to simplify your financial future.